OnePlus 15 versus the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. In this video, we're going to compare these two mobiles in depth, starting with the display. The S25 Ultra mobile comes with a 6.9 inches of dynamic AMOLED 2x LTPO display, and it is HDR10 plus supported, Dolby Vision supported, 120Hz refresh rate display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass armor. Where the OnePlus 15 mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of slightly smaller display, and it is a kind of rounded edge display, not like the boxier one in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. By the way, this mobile is coming with a 6.78 inches of dynamic AMOLED display, and it is a LTPO display. And this display supports HDR10 plus and Dolby Vision, and also it is a 165Hz refresh rate display. But the thing is, this is a 1.5K resolution display, whereas this S25 Ultra is a 2K resolution display. When we talk about the processor, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra mobile comes with the previous generation flagship processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is a 3nm based 5G octa-core processor. Where the OnePlus 15 mobile comes with the latest upgraded version for this 8 Elite, that is the 8 Elite Gen 5, which is also a 3nm based 5G octa-core processor. But the thing is that the OnePlus 15 comes with the 8 Elite Gen 5, which is having a slightly overclocked cores than the last generation 8 Elite. So that's the difference. And when we talk about the storage variants, the S25 Ultra is available in different variants like 12GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 512GB, 12GB RAM 1TB, 16GB RAM and 1TB internal storage variants. Those are UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. But the OnePlus 15 have different types of storage variants. Those are the base variant and the mid variant. The 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB variants are the UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. But the top variant, that is a 16GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage variant, it is the variant which is a UFS 4.1 storage capacity along with the LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM type. Yes, that's a long name. Yeah. When we talk about the cameras, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with the quad cameras, where we can find a quad rear cameras, the 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and 50 megapixels of periscopic lens, and also a 10 megapixels of telescopic camera. Where the OnePlus 15 mobile coming with a triple rear camera setup, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and 50 megapixels of telephoto periscopic zoom camera. The important thing that we need to understand here is that the OnePlus 15 is not having any Hasselblad partnership. So that's the major thing, which I feel it's a downgrade from the OnePlus 13 compared to the older generation. Yeah. So we can shoot up to 8K 30fps with these mobiles back cameras. When we talk about the front-facing selfie cameras, the S25 Ultra comes with a 12 megapixels of front-facing selfie camera, where the OnePlus 15 comes with 32 megapixels of front-facing selfie camera. And the most important thing about these two mobiles is the battery. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra mobile comes with a 5000 mAh of lithium-ion battery, which is a kind of old generation battery. And it is going to support a 45 watts of fast charge through wire, 15 watts of wireless charge, and 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. Whereas the OnePlus 15 mobile is going to come with the 7300 mAh of huge battery. It supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire, 50 watts of wireless charge, and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. Even though having a bigger battery for the OnePlus 15, it weighs lesser than the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra weighs around 218 grams, where this OnePlus 15 weighs around 211 grams. And when we talk about the other features, like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra mobile is a IP68 and IP69 rated mobile, where the OnePlus 15 mobile comes with the IP68, IP69, and also IP69K. So basically this IP69K stands for it can survive water which comes as a blast, the heat blast, like a heat fire engine water. You can also use this mobile in very heat water spraying conditions, like in under waterfalls. And yeah, these are about the major features. When we talk about this mobile's connectivity, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra mobile comes with Wi-Fi 7 tri-band support, Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC. And when we talk about the OnePlus 15, it comes with the somewhat latest features like Wi-Fi 7 tri-band support obviously, but it comes with a Bluetooth 6.0 and NFC latest version. And when we talk about the operating system, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra right now it is running on Android version 16 based on One UI 8 based on Android version 16. The OnePlus 15 mobile out of the box, it coming with the Oxygen OS 16 with Android version 16. When we talk about the multimedia, these two mobiles comes the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, and these two mobiles supports Dolby Vision support, and you can also watch the videos in HDR in Netflix and Prime Video. And these two mobiles supports USB 3.2 Gen 2 USB Type-C ports, the charging ports basically, so you can connect Elgato and streaming devices like that. But OnePlus is also trying to invent their own app where you can stream games without using any Elgato devices, so something like that. So you can save 20 to 25,000 rupees in purchasing of these Elgato devices. When we talk about the build quality, the S25 Ultra is a complete titanium build mobile with the front and back glasses, where the OnePlus 15 is a aluminum framed mobile with front and back glasses. So these are the major important features of this mobile. When we talk about the colors, these two mobiles are available in different colors which are hard to remember, so that's why I'm giving the links to buy these mobiles in the description box down below with the colors also in the description box. You can also go and directly buy it from there. Obviously I'll also get a small commission from them. So this is all about the mobiles. When we talk about the box contents, the S25 Ultra mobile doesn't come with any charging brick or other things included in the box of the mobile. It just comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable and USB SIM ejector tool, that's it. Where the OnePlus 15 mobile comes with the 120-watt charger and cable and TPU case and also SIM ejector tool and everything included in the box of the mobile. So when we talk about the prices, the S25 Ultra right now is available at 1,29,000 rupees, I think, as far as I checked last. So obviously 1,30,000 rupees for the base variant, where the OnePlus 15 was released with the price tag of 73,000 rupees, which I feel is okay. But it could have better cameras as far as I've seen in the reviews of MKBHD and other channels. So according to my personal preference, I like the S25 Ultra, and one more thing that I missed is the S25 Ultra has the pen support, S Pen support. So my personal preference, I like the One UI and Samsung brand a bit, so I would prefer the S25 Ultra, and I like the bigger display mobiles, kind of boxier mobiles. So it all comes to personal preferences, which one you want to buy. So stay tuned for the channel, stay tuned for more videos from my channel by subscribing to the channel, because I'm going to do more videos like this in future. So thanks for watching.